Okay, I already started putting in, this is part two of braised chicken, Korean braised chicken. And uh, what we're going to do is we're going to put we already put the chicken in whole. And we only had, I believe, just one organ. We had the heart. I didn't decide not to take the heart because the heart, once it's cooked, sometimes is very hard and tough. So we didn't even take that, and it didn't have any of the other things. So we're gonna put the last of our onions. And I also want to mention also is water. Now, even though we have a good amount of water here, first of all, you don't want to put too much of it in there because then that's an issue. And we also don't want to do it where we are putting too little of it in there because then that's a problem. So this is gonna cook for about an hour and a half. I also want to amend the thing that says about the garlic. I only put one of this in here because garlic, for my family, is an issue. They complain about garlic, so we just put the minimum amount I feel like will be good enough. Stop mumbling in the background about garlic.
Ginger. Ginger's the issue.
Ginger, garlic, anything that is potent, you fuss about. Anywho, I just put that much of garlic. Also, the fact of the matter is, I don't know how much the garlic will taste when it comes combined with everything else. I don't want to overpower it, so I just put one bushel of it. They said like 8 cloves. It's more than 8, obviously, in a bushel. So don't worry about that. If you want to be exact, then be exact. But that's what I did. So this is gonna cook for about an hour. Then we're gonna add the carrots, the dates, the chestnuts, the mushroom, the shiitake mushrooms. I only bought regular ones, only because I wasn't sure about taste, and I wanted to make sure the taste. Personally, for me, chicken and regular mushrooms taste way better. So that's my personal thing. But you can probably get shiitake mushrooms, which is more authentic. But remember, we're going off of the fact that it's a abridged cooking recipe, and we're going through less steps. So it's not going to soak as long. It's not going to do anything unless you do the soaking part. It's not going to be the same. So shiitake mushrooms require a lot of soaking. It requires a lot of preparation and to put it in. So if you are buy them, then a lot of these and do the soaking and everything, it will give the taste that you need. I'm using the mushrooms that are easy to get, the cheaper, because I am skipping test steps, and I'm making sure that I get the taste out. So that's that's for right now. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.